1976 $2 bill with the serial number F14587459A. Let's talk about its history, its value, and whether it's something rare. This note comes from the Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta, which is represented by the letter F looking at the serial number F14587459A. It's a standard serial, no special pattern, and it's not a star note. So from a collector's standpoint, this is a regular issue note. Now the value. In circulated condition, this 1976 $2 bill is usually worth $2 to $3. In uncirculated or crisp condition, it might be worth $4 to $8. If it had a star note or fancy serial, the value could go much higher, but this one does not. Still, the 1976 series is special. It was the first time the $2 bill was reissued since 1966, and it features Thomas Jefferson on the front, and the signing of the Declaration of Independence on the back, a beautiful design. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel, Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thanks for watching.